Alright, so I'm finally in the trunk. But yeah, this is my damage, y'all. Alright, the bottom half of the car is not damaged at all. I mean, yeah, it's pushed in a little bit because it's pinched really hard right there. It's not really off that bad. I mean, it's a little pinch right there comparing it to the other side, but I'll look at that in a minute. But I'm just looking right here. It's not damaged really that bad. So I'll be able to cut it. I'll leave some of the metal long on that one if I have to. That way I can adjust. And I'm glad I'm getting to this because it's starting to rain pretty tough and I got a little pool down there I need to get rid of. Put some bleach on that and take all this carpet stuff up out of here. And I just broke my window even more. Pulling it up. Yeah, it's pretty much a done deal. I cut my rig glass out, made me a little window here. I know I got spot welds here. So I'm gonna remove all of the window weld and the factory seam sealer, expose the spot welds. And then I'm probably gonna cut right here where this seam is already, just for alignment, or maybe a little bit past, you know, for good alignment purposes. And then pretty much drill all these spot welds out. Push this back up. I got the jack, so we'll see what we can do. Yeah, so we're gonna go from there. Alright, y'all, so yeah, this is where I'm at with it. Yeah, had a couple of oopsie poopsies, but this is all good. But yeah, it's coming along, y'all. It's coming along. Making progress. I just cut it straight down. See my spot welds I took out. Went a little deep on that one. Just the accident helped me right there. Just gotta straighten this out. Straighten this out as much as I can. And yeah, hopefully get some real Deadener in here, clean this junk out, and get started on the build. I got so much space to work with. Right behind the plastic is my strut tower bolts. So if I do decide to extend my box into the trunk a little bit for a little bit more cubic feet, I'm gonna be, you know, very cautious of them bolts. So far, I cut the old one out. You can probably see where the tacks are. And this Tyvek tape is made for house wrap, but it works really good for anything outdoors. It's just kind of sticky. But yeah, so I got everything tacked up, lined up. I just gotta cut, I think, this one right here free. Thinking about leaving it this color. I'm not sure. Hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys, you know, like the turnout. I'm really impressed with myself right now. But I'm gonna go down and clean up, wrap everything up, and get ready for dinner. Peace, y'all.
Oh yeah. Damn, I'm feeling so tripped.